back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today is the start of a quick little mini series that I've decided to do very last minute for Valentine's Day. Salon Perfect recently sent me some really cute Valentine trios that I wanted to share with you guys and show you how to utilize them for Valentine's art. So here is the first one. This shade was called Under the Tuscan Sun. Then we have this really fun gold glittery shade called All That Glitters Is Gold. And then lastly, in this trio is like this bright, vibrant red called Heartstrings. So apparently these are like little sets that are available at Walmart for $3.98, and you get 3 mini polishes, and they're all really good. So today we are using Under the Tuscan Sun as the base color for this nail art design. I'm going to do 2 coats of this, and as you can tell from that first coat, this actually does have a really nice formula. It's also a really kind of neat shade where it's like kind of a salmony pink where it's more than just a pink and it's not too red. I don't know. It's just really pretty. I like the formula. And even though that these are mini bottles, they didn't compromise on the brush at all. Like, it still has a really nice brush in my opinion. So overall, pretty happy. And 3 polishes for $3.98 is pretty good. Plus, you can get a lot of nail art looks. So this one today is super simple. Actually, all of the looks this week in this series are going to be super simple, but here I am just taking the red polish, which is called Heartstrings, and I'm putting 1 large stripe down one side of my nail, leaving the other side still that pink shade. And then I'm going to go in with the gold polish or the gold glitter called All That Glitters Is Gold, and I'm going to put 4 dots of it using a small dotting tool down the red part, and that's it for this look. I then topped it with top coat, and I really like how this came out. It was really fun to wear because depending on the angle that you were looking at, it was like, I have a pink nail, wait no, I have a red nail with glitter, and it was just really fun. So there is the final look at this day 1 super simple manicure that you guys could do with any color combination actually. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Check back in tomorrow for day 2.